Yeah, shout out to everybody and thank y'all for calling the hospital because y'all made them give us an autopsy because they had us messed up. But yeah, thank you to y'all. What the hell?
6.
He look just like you, literally. He literally got your whole face, your whole tongue. He's so cute. Iris dead ass wrong. They should have made us come to the hospital that day. Period. Because the heartbeat was fine. Like, he got hair all up on his chest. Definitely your son. Don't shut, baby. But sign the paper and then let them take him for autopsy to see what's going on. See if it's that pill. We gonna see. We gonna see. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Sonny, she say signature, so I only saw the green things. You want to read through it first? You want to read through it, or you just saw it?
You're struggling to keep which you should try bathroom. A learning platform.